I will search for Eclipse by typing download Eclipse IDE. Then select Eclipse downloads. Eclipse Oxygen is the current release for Eclipse IDE. We click the download 64-bit button. Next, we download the file, which is the Eclipse installer, by clicking the download button or the hyperlink Eclipse INST Win64. Save the Eclipse installer, go to my downloads folder, then open the Eclipse installer. We see two Java options within this Eclipse installer: Eclipse IDE for Java developers and Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. We can't install either one of the Java options. However, I prefer to install the second option, so I will select Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. The EE stands for Enterprise Edition, which comes with many pre-installed plugins. Click the Install button. We click the Launch button to open the Eclipse application. In this demo, I did not have to accept a license agreement. If you come across a checkbox and a button, click both to accept the agreement. After launching Eclipse, we provide a name for our workspace. The purpose of Workspace is to group projects. It's important we group projects that are similar to each other in a workspace. I will name the workspace Social Media. Then click the Launch button. Now let's create a new Java project. I will minimize the Welcome tab, click File, then navigate to New. We have the option of selecting Project or Other. Both options will take us to the same dialog, which is the Selector Wizard. In this dialog, we select Java Project, then click the Next button to add a project name. Notice how the JRE section defaults and displays our Java version 9. The JRE is used for compiling and launching our Java programs. I created a separate video showing how to change the default version to JRE 9 if you do not see it. Let's call this project Online Training Teaching. Click Finish, then open Perspective. Perspective is a group of views. A view is a sub-window such as Package Explorer, Task List, Outline, and Problems. We have the option of customizing our perspective by adding or removing a view. We can add a view by going to Window, Show View. However, I am going to minimize the views to show more of the work area. Within Package Explorer, we see our project Online Training, JRE System Library, and SRC. SRC is the source folder. Our project is used for holding our folders, libraries, and files. The JRE System Library is a library added by default to Eclipse. we see the path of each jar file started with C program files. The source folder is used for storing subfolders and source files. Next, we are going to configure the Selenium jars.
Online courses coming soon. Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.